everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look, then just keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in our monthly giveaways where we give away a big box of makeup to one of our lovely subscribers, then go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Make sure that you hit that bell button and turn your post notifications on so that you never ever miss a video. And if you are located in the United States, then go ahead and comment "done" down below to be automatically entered. So the palette that I went in with today is the Pretty Cool palette from Dose of Colors, and the first shade that I went in with is this first shade that's like a very cool tone light brown shade, and I picked it up with a big fluffy brush and I just put that in my crease as my transition shade, going in back and forth motions. Next, I took the second shade in the palette, which is a little bit deeper than the first shade, and I just took that with a defined angled brush and I put that in my crease, mapping out where I want to add definition, just going in back and forth motions. And then I went back into that first transition shade just to blend that line out, going in back and forth motions. Next, I went in with the last shade in the palette, which is the deepest dark brown shade in the palette, and I picked it up with a defined angled brush and I put that in my crease directly over where we applied the previous eyeshadow. And I like using a defined angled brush because it just helps with specific placement of the eyeshadow. And then I went back into that first transition shade once again just to blend everything out, going in back and forth motions. And that's pretty much my favorite way to add definition in my crease, is I go in with a defined angled brush, add depth, and then go back into the transition shade to blend it out, and I go back and forth a couple of times just to get the definition and the blendedness that I desire. And then I went back into the second shade in the palette and I applied that shade all over my lid, and it does look a little bit darker on my eyelid than it does in the pan, but I really like how it turned out. For lashes, I went in with my Sophie Bella lashes. I will always leave a link in the description box down below for those of you guys that want to check out our lash brand. The style that I went in with is Barbados, and it's our most dramatic style. Moving on to the lower lash line, I went back into that first transition shade and I just put that all over my lower lash line, going in back and forth motions just to start to warm up that area. And then I went back into that deeper brown shade, the last shade in the palette, and I picked up a defined angled brush and I put that shade really close to my lash line. And then after that, I went back into that first transition shade just to make sure that everything is nice and blended. And then the last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara. And this is a finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!